Affiliate Success Blueprint, your free super affiliate launch system. Welcome to your new life. I created this step-by-step system because I remember what it felt like. Broke, frustrated, and searching for a way out. If you're serious and you're ready to follow the steps without skipping them, you can build your first $100, your first $1,000, and eventually $10,000 or more per month in affiliate commissions, all with almost no upfront cost, no fancy software, and no guesswork. Here's the exact plan. Step 1. Choose a niche you can stick with day one. Why? You must pick a lane and stay in it long enough to build authority. Action steps. Think about niches that solve painful problems. Use these 3 questions to choose. Are people spending money to fix this? Are there digital products available? ClickBank/Digistore24. Would you be willing to create content about this topic for 30 to 60 days? Top beginner niches. Make money online. Side hustles. Health and weight loss. Relationships and dating. Self-improvement and mental health. Spirituality/manifestation. Pets, dogs especially. Pro tip: use Google Trends to make sure lots of people are searching for it. Step 2. Select a product that solves an urgent problem. Day 2. Why random products don't sell. Solutions to urgent problems do. Action steps: create a free account on clickbank.com and/or Digistore24.com. Browse categories matching your niche. Pick products that have high gravity, ClickBank, or bestseller rank, Digistore. 50 to 75% commissions or higher. A professional-looking sales page. Bonuses, upsells, and email capture options if possible. Pro tip: look for products with affiliate resources, swipe files, banners, ads. It shows the vendor supports you. Step 3. Set up your core affiliate system, days 3-5. Why? You need a simple machine that captures attention and directs it to your link. Action steps: create a free landing page, use ConvertKit free plan or System.io free account. Build a simple bridge page that highlights the problem, gives a short preview of the solution, has a button that links to your affiliate offer. Shorten your affiliate link. Use t.li shortener free to make your link look clean. Create a free email list, optional but powerful. Orba or MailChimp, which is free up to the first few subscribers. Start collecting emails early. Even if you don't email much at first, you'll thank yourself later. Offer a simple freebie like a checklist or quick tips PDF, easy with Canva. Example: landing page headline. Discover the 3-step system to lose 10 pounds in 30 days without giving up your favorite foods. Free video inside. Step 4. Drive free traffic consistently. Days 5 through ongoing. Why? No traffic means no sales. You don't need to pay for ads. You can earn your first commissions organically. Use a free keyword tool or ChatGPT for keywords. Pick one traffic source first. YouTube Shorts Faceless is a fantastic option. Use free apps like CapCut to edit. Find 10 to 20 popular videos in your niche. Model but don't copy successful styles. Post 1 to 2 shorts daily linking people to your landing page. Pinterest organic pins are another great choice. Create simple Pinterest pins with Canva. Post 5 pins a day linking to your landing page. Focus on search keywords people use. TikTok, faceless optional, is also a hot option. Follow trending formats. Post 2 to 3 short videos daily. Use hashtags related to your niche. Always include a call to action. Link in bio for free training. Blogging with SEO mini articles is another effective method. Start a free blog with medium.com or blogger.com. Blogger is free and less restrictive. Write 300 to 500 word mini articles solving problems and recommend your affiliate product. Pro tip, don't try to master all traffic sources at once. Pick one, dominate it for 30 days, then consider adding another. Step 5, scale and automate. Month 2 to 3. Once you have a few commissions, action steps, upgrade to cheap tools. A real domain name, $10 a year via Namecheap or free with Hostinger if you create a website. Paid landing page software like Systemi.io or lead pages if you want more features. Outsource content. Hire cheap freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork to scale posts or videos. Beware, some of them are not very good. Build an email autoresponder sequence to follow up automatically and promote more products. Focus, build your audience, build your list, build your authority. Golden rules to succeed. Commit to 90 days before judging yourself. Volume wins. 100 videos, pins or articles beats 5 perfect ones. Learn basic copywriting. Sell the outcome, not the product. Track what works and double down on it. Never quit for 90 days. The only people who fail are the ones who give up too early. Your total startup cost, ClickBank or Digistore account, free. Systemi.io landing page, free plan, free. Canva for designs, free. T.ly link shortener, free. Traffic, organic via YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok or blog, free. Optional domain name after first commissions, $10 a year. Total upfront cost, $0. Optional $10 to $15 after you earn your first $100. Closing message from me, your mentor. If you're willing to show up every day for yourself, even when nobody is watching yet, if you're willing to trust the system and outwork your old excuses, then you will absolutely change your life with affiliate marketing. I promise you, this free starter course will be the highest investment of your entire life. Let's get you free. To take your business to the next level, please subscribe below for the next installment. Also like, share and comment below on YouTube for more videos like this one.